Hello my loves, so today I will be showing you the I-cord method that I use for creating the strap for the Drawstring strawberry bag. So all you will need is your scissors, your yarn needle, and your crochet hook that is 8 millimeters. And the yarn that I'm using is Bernat blanket yarn and it is size 6. So what you want to start off with is a long tail, a very long tail. Usually I will leave a tail that is about 3 times the length of the strap that I want. So you've got your big tail here ready to go. And you will just start off with a simple slip knot. Oh, sorry, let's do that again. I saw it was off camera. Just a simple slip knot here and pull it tight, maybe, and there you go. So this is your tail. This is the non-working yarn is what I will call it. Here is your working yarn, you know, still connected to your ball of yarn. So you will start, let me get more of my yarn here. You'll start with grabbing your working yarn. You'll wrap it and you will start with a chain 1 and you will grab your tail, take it to the front, front to the back. And now you should have 2 loops on your hook. And you will just single crochet or chain through both of those. Now let's do it again. From the front to the back and chain. Front to the back and chain. Front to the back and chain. And it's kind of hard to see with this yarn, but you have your V's right here, your V's right here on this side, and then on the back it's got your chains on the back. So you will just keep doing that until you reach the desired length. And so when you start getting to the end here, you want to leave a long enough tail on the strap so you're able to attach it to your bag. So I will leave it to be about this long. And all you're gonna do after you do your last chain through that you would like it to be the length that you would like it to be at, you will just simply pull this yarn through and snip it. So now you've got your I-cord strap and you're able to attach it to your bag. I hope this video helped, and I'd love to see your bags. If you could tag me at my socials, and I would love to see your work. Thank you so much for watching.